What are some good ways to find online teaching jobs? Well, there are a variety of ways, there are a variety of marketplaces online where you can find online teaching jobs, but let me recommend something more, and that is creating your own online courses and publishing them on various marketplaces. There are a variety of online course marketplaces such as Udemy, Skillshare, Skill Success, CyberU, Learningly, and these marketplaces exist for people like you and me to teach what we know, to teach our superpower, and teach the things that we've already experienced, we've learned, and we can help others with. So I would recommend that instead of looking for a job, why not consider publishing an online course on some of these marketplaces? You'll benefit from receiving an ongoing passive income that keeps coming in long after you've created the course, and you'll benefit by impacting other people, helping people with your knowledge, your skills, and your experience. So that's what I would recommend, is look at these online course marketplaces, publish your courses there. If you look down below this video, I'm going to have some resources for you to learn a little bit more about publishing online courses, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.